Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today I conclude my reflections on 2nd Isaiah by citing just two verses from chapter 55. Everyone who thirsts, come to the waters, and he who has no money, come, buy and eat. Come, buy wine and milk without money and without price. Why do you spend your money for that which is not bread, and your labor for that which does not satisfy? Hearken diligently to me and eat what is good, and delight yourselves in fatness. So, what we have here is a vision of a great banquet. And notice who is invited to the banquet first. It is those who are poor, those who have no money, those who are thirsty. And so these verses and this image of the banquet are symbols of God's great care for his people and God's preference and special love and compassion for those who are poor. In Judaism, the Passover meal has this same kind of symbolism, this great egalitarian vision of everyone being invited to the banquet. In our Christian tradition, the Eucharist carries the same symbolism. All are welcome to the Eucharist. And in the Eucharist, it is both our invitation and our challenge to reach out to those who are poor and to make sure that they are fed. Just as we are fed in the Eucharist, we are called to feed others in need. And by doing this, we show them that we care for them, and we show them that God cares for them. Thank you so much for watching and listening this week, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.